I'm Shamila Rasool, Deputy Representative Programs from UNICEF Pakistan. Special regards to all of you who are here from UNICEF Pakistan. Very pleased to be here, the one-stop center for BISP, WISP, as you all know, the world's most treasured social welfare program, which serves the most vulnerable population target groups in Pakistan. We are very proud to be partners of the government of Pakistan from UNICEF and really look at the most important population segments in the country, the adolescent girls, the pregnant mothers, the nursing mothers, and the children below 24 months. These groups are important to be investing so that Pakistan as a country will have a human capital that can reach its highest potential. As we know, according to the World Bank Human Capital Index, Pakistan is ranked at 0.41%. So every child which is born today can only reach 41% of its potential. We need to change this. This data point cannot be left inevitable. So we are all gathered here together, ourselves from UNICEF, our sister agencies WFP, WHO, with the government of Pakistan and WISP to change this data point to make Pakistan a better and a prosperous country. Very pleased to be here once again. Thank you.